How to change button color in Shopify. What's up guys, my name is Krause and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can customize this button color right here, or for example the button color on the product page and basically all of the different buttons that you have on your store. So to get started, you will just have to head over to your Shopify dashboard and then open up the Shopify theme editor. Now, no worries, this is going to work for all of the different themes out there. So as you can see, if I'm now just going to select my button, we don't actually have the option to change the color right here on the right, as you can see, okay? So to actually change this, we will have to actually head over to the parent. So in this case, the parent of this button would be this image banner right here, okay? And then inside this image banner, we can actually set the color scheme. Now, in this case, we do have the color scheme 3. However, if we would change this to color scheme 1, the button as well as the text color would now change. I would actually leave scheme 3. And if we now would actually want to edit the color of this color scheme, we would simply just have to click on edit right here. And then you are going to have the option to edit this right here. Otherwise, you can also access this through the theme settings on the left and then under colors. Now, in this case, you can then use tools like coolers.co to actually generate color palettes for your store. Now these aren't going to be perfect 100% all of the time, but still this kind of can give you an idea on how this is going to work on your store, on which kind of colors you can use. And if you now would want to, for example, use this color right here, you could then just copy the hex code and paste it onto this right here. So in this case, as for the solid button label, we could then now change this. As you can see, this would be the button label. And then as for the button background, we could now also change this to something maybe black or maybe bluish, I don't know. Basically, you can customize this to your likings, and the same process is going to be applicable for the store right here, for the actual product page. Right here, just select these buy buttons and then select the parent, in this case the product information, and now simply just change the color scheme right here to actually match the correct color scheme for your buttons right here. As you can see, now this once again would be blue as we've said earlier. We all know that starting a successful Shopify store can be super hard. That's why I'm right now giving out my Shopify course for completely free. Now you're going to learn everything needed to actually streamline your Shopify success in that exact course. So make sure to click on the link down below to get started.